In the last video, we talked about trends, movement of price, either up, down, or sideways. Now I'm talking about support and resistance. Now, when we're talking about support and resistance, remember we said price, when you see green, the green candles forming and it's going up, it means that the price is trending upwards. And when you see the red candles coming down, means that the price is trending downwards, right? Now, when price goes up, that is the green candles form, and it gets a particular point that they can no longer go up, and they start, and then rather than go up, red candles start forming, and the price starts coming down. That point where the price change direction from up to down is called a resistance. That is resistance. Something is holding the price from going further. Is a resistance. You cannot pass it. And when price is coming down, and it gets to a point, it now turns and starts going up. That is, red candles form, red candles, and then the red candles stop, and then the price starts going up, forming green candles. That part is called support and resistance. These are the basic concepts of forex trading: support and resistance. When price goes up to a point, it stops and starts coming back. That point where the direction changes is called resistance. Support, resistance, support. Very, very key. Those things will help you make or lose money in forex. See you in the next video.